Hey there, and welcome back to the video series. So we installed a bunch of dependencies in the last video regarding TypeScript and Node and Express. And now we need to do a bit about this Nodemon, because Nodemon is something we use in the development. So when we develop the API, we want that every time that we make changes, we want the server to automatically restart, detect the changes and restart, or give us an error if we have made some bugs in the code. So we got this Nodemon package here, and we're gonna do some extra stuff with it. But when we run Nodemon, you can see I'm getting an error here, and that is okay because I'm not doing anything at the moment. But it's watching. You can see it's watching something, extensions and index.js and stuff like this. So, and it says it's crashed. So let's just clear again. We need to make a configuration for this Nodemon when we start developing it. And different ways you can do this. You can either have a Nodemon configuration file in your project, or you can put it in the package.json. In this example here, what we will be developing here, I'm just going to put the configuration in the package.json. So let's find a good spot for this. Let's do it before the dependencies here. And I'm going to put the configuration info directly in here, and then I'm going to explain what this is all about afterwards. So let's just see what I've actually put into this file that we have. We have a comma here and comma there, so this should be okay. So Nodemon config, we are setting something that it should not be verbose, provide extra information. Then we have a watch setting here that will allow us to tell Nodemon where should it, what files should it watch. And I'm putting here source, and source is a folder that we will be creating, but I haven't done yet. So this is where our TypeScript files will be inside. Because we're using TypeScript, we're having a new folder with all the TypeScript in it. So this is where Nodemon will look for changes. And you can add more directories if you want to, so that Nodemon will also look for changes in these files. Extensions, JavaScript and TS. So I'm actually allowing JavaScript still if we're going to need it in some special files, but more importantly, TypeScript files we will look for. And TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, so any JavaScript is actually valid TypeScript as well. So, but we will be accepting JavaScript in here, or this extension, if we need it. So then we have an execute command. What will Nodemon do when it has seen changes? Then we're going to run this TS node, and this is the node package that supports TypeScript, and it's going to just start up, and it's going to start the file that is in the source file folder called index.ts that we will be creating. We haven't done this yet. So, and we're using npx to run this package. This is an npm package, and we're using npx to run it with this parameter. Okay, long explanation. And then finally, we also have some ignores. We don't want to have Nodemon look into node modules. Node modules is just a folder that has all the different packages and dependencies that this project needs. But this is something that we can generate. So we don't need Nodemon to look into this. We're not going to modify any code in node modules. All right, so this is the setup for Nodemon, which is awesome. And that's it for this video. And stay tuned for the next. Hope you make this work. Have fun with this. Bye-bye.